Today we will try to solve an interesting problem using recursion. Based upon this number passed to this function, we'll print the number of stars in this fashion. If you look at this closely into this function call, we are calling the same function again and again by decrementing this number. This approach of calling the same function inside the same function call is known as recursion. If you notice here closely, the first line, when n is equal to 0, we are returning this method call. That means the further step won't be getting executed. This is known as termination step, and which is extremely crucial for recursion. If you don't design your termination step appropriately, then there may be high chance that you run into infinite loop. And thus, this for loop is very standard. Here we are appending, for example, n equal to 4, we are creating 4 star. For n equal to 3, 3 star, and so on. And if you notice closely, this console.log is printed just after this method call. And it is an important concept known as call stack. For n equal to 4, the star equal to 4, there will be 4 star will be stored into this variable, and which will be piled up in the bottom of this pyramid. And if you for n equal to 1, the star will be the topmost. When this termination condition will be executed, this first star will be popped out, and this will be printed first. This is known as LIFO approach, last in first out, and subsequent star will be printed. Let's see the example by running some actual code. This is the same program we have just discussed in few minutes back. If you try to print, this the number of stars will be printed in this fashion. If you try to change it to number 5, so the 5 star will be printed, okay? And there would be interesting concept. Let me explain you. If you try to move this to before it, so that if you notice closely, the number of pattern will be changed. See, we'll printing this star 5 times first time, because before it even enter, it will just getting printed. So hope you understand something. Good day.